Omo guys, is about to be a movie.
Hey! Jesus here! Jesus here! Huh? See two moto? Hey! Oga, you said I'm married, Javi. Hey, oh, Jesus. Thank you. Ha! Another one pack for there too. Oga, I beg you, now where would they go marry the marry? Now where would they go marry you? Wait! Lovina! Hey! Lovina, if you see where I did, Lovina, big people play so. If you see, upstairs, everywhere. Ha! See, Lovina, I just see swimming pool.
Omo, which kind of woman being is Sonia Uche? Because what type of woman being is this girl? Hey, God. I wonder people will not like this girl, how are they coping? Like, how are they coping? Hello? There's no how you watch this girl on your TV or smartphone anywhere and you will not be shining your 32. Coupled with the fact that Maurice is also in this movie. Like, it's a banga. Hello? So grab your popcorn and watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any part to the last part of this video. Now will shock you. Make a play, make una watch.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, this thing the 4 person. Hey, make I come out my slippers. No worry. No worry. Okay. Make I go ask her. Sarah? You don't go sleep. Sarah? I said make I ask you how much they give you. Abi you don't want to talk? Come. Sarah? Sarah? How many hours you there for them?
Please leave me alone.
Hey! Sarah? 5 hours. Sarah, 5 hours. Eh? I go there, they say make I chop cucumber. Say no strength again. Say someone could don't carry everything. Sarah, you go 5 hours. Sarah, I beg now. Tell me.
Alice, please.
Eh.
I'm tired.
Hey!
I need to sleep.
Sarah, you are tired. Sarah is tired. Sarah, what do you do one or do? Sarah, come on, Sarah. What do you do?
Alice, I'm tired. I can say I'm tired.
You still they talk am. Sarah, you still they talk tired. Hell. No, you get wetin they do and you they do. Because me, I go na cucumber they give me chop. I come out fast. Someone will go there. She stay more than 30 minutes before she come out and she happy. Sarah now don't come and she don't tire. And now cucumber I chop. And nobody won't talk. Sarah? This guy likes me too. Ah. Welcome.
Is that my husband? My husband. Baby, I missed you.
Look at where you from back.
You miss me?
You miss me.
You miss me?
Miss you too. Can I just...
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Wetin dey happen for here? Make una no kpai Maurice for us. So Chineye, abeg leave Sonia Uche alone. Leave Maurice for Sonia Uche. I don't know what you are doing in this movie. Guys, this is the most hilarious movie you will watch online today. Rush over to YouTube. You will enjoy this particular one. Una know say whenever these two, Maurice, Sonia Uche, and even Chineye in a particular movie, is always interesting. Like, it's always a banger. So this particular one is not left out. If you want the title, just type in the comment section title and I will provide the title ASAP. Anything that involves Sonia Uche, even if it's by 12 a.m, wake me up. I'm active. Hello. Guys, when I know say Sonia Uche, they carry on for head like gala. So please, rush over to you, Sonia Uche TV, and watch this particular one. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.